So this is probably one of the best types of stereos that you can find right before they changed. And this is still got the motorized knob. And the knob is metal. The front of the radio is metal. It's got an open up door. You can do some stuff here. It still has a phono input. It has the bass boost button. They took that away on the next one, which is like, goes from the DB930 to the 10 something. I have both of them. The other one also doesn't have A and B speakers. You can't switch back and forth like that. It's just on or off. I don't know. I guess just for plugging in headphones. Sounds extremely clean, but it is a little lacking in the bass department, even with the EQ. The treble at 10 kilohertz. Let's see here. Bass 10 dB. I've set the bass to 500 hertz. The mid is at +5. I have it at 1K. You can roll it down or up, like whatever you want to do. And it makes no real difference. Anyway, we'll go ahead and see. I don't know. Hold on, let me. So like you can see, it's pretty clear, very articulate. Let's try changing that to that. So it just needs a little more push. It's really clean otherwise. And it goes really loud. It's definitely a good stereo. It does have a preamp out, so if I want to, I can run out of that and, like, say, feed the Marantz or whatever. That wouldn't be hard to do. So this is the STR DB930.